You cannot see the stain yet, but right there, there's active moisture on the ceiling. The insulation is damaged all the way up in here, so you can see the condensation that forms, and then it drips inside the attic space and in the pan, causing rust and moisture staining. Directly below this on the ceiling, it is wet. The good thing is you can't yet see with your eyes, but we're still going to recommend the builder or the warranty company take a look in this area and make sure there's not any fungus or mold that is beginning to form. Small details can cause big problems.